Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 11 settings. Windows 11 comes with an advanced settings that is called hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, which can boost gaming and video performance using your PC's GPU. We will show you how to enable the feature and thereby potentially get a performance increase. To enable this feature, first click on this one a start button, then click settings. Under Windows 11 settings, click on System in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one Display at the top. Under Display page, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one Graphics. Under Default Settings section, click on this one link, Change Default Graphics Settings. Here you will find a toggle switch that says Optimizations for Windowed Games. Turn on this one toggle switch to enable this one feature. Now close these settings. Restart your PC once to apply these changes. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.